easy and simple. So let's take this again, go back here, copy the title over here, plug that in. That's Generado. And now we've got this back. All right. So let's have a look inside here. We'll try and take another post. I'm just going to change that. I'm also going to say like create 2 to 3 options for the generated post, because then I can just like copy and swap and change and choose whichever one I want. So let's see what we get back there. And that's the beautiful thing about this. You can iterate really quickly. But if we go back to that original post, this one right here is pretty nice. Simona has already commented on it. So it works pretty nicely. I mean, the headline is good. The copy could be better. But I mean, I used to be a sales copywriter, so I suppose I have very high standards. However, for like 99% of businesses out there, it's probably better than most people do. So we've got the social media post generator here. Let's try it again. I would say one of the things you're going to find with these tools is like you can generate the 80-20 first try. And then like those tiny little details that you probably really want from your tool, they might take a little bit longer, and that's okay. But the main thing here is like you want to customize it how you want it, and bear in mind, like, you're probably not going to tweak it again once you create this tool, unless you're like creating some massive SaaS tool, right? So we've got the post here. We've got multiple post options, which is pretty cool. We've got the link to the YouTube link, and we have the PS, right, for the AR profit boarding. Pretty nice. And then we've got the titles. So let's try this one more time. We're going to go back to the AR Money Lab and see if we can just quickly create a post that generates the content. There we go. We'll copy that video URL, go back here. It's got the link to the AR Profit Boardroom, and boom. That is cool, my friends. That is beautiful. I'm actually going to post that because why not? You only live once, all right? So we're going to paste that in. Boom, shakalaka. All right, really nice post. Took literally one click, pasted in. It couldn't be easier. So we pasted in the title. We've got 3 different options for the post. All of them we could probably use. We've got some nice headline options, and it's all customized exactly how I want it. So you can see how cool this stuff is. We're going to hit save on that. It says, do you think Sim AI is better than NA10? It depends what you want. Like Sim AI is really good because it's kind of like, it doesn't really require any technical expertise to use it, right? Whereas NA10 is pretty intimidating when you log in. So if you want something that's simplified and you don't like how technical NA10 is, or you've never used NA10 before, then Sim AI is honestly a really good option. So that's the way that I would look at it. So now we've got the I'm going to create a social media post with this, and then I'll link to that. All right. And if you want access to it as well, just for inspiration, school/social media post generator.